Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to group in Excel. So let's say we want to group these two columns or the two rows or the two cells. So what you do, just select them and go to this data tab, click on group and just simply select if we want to group the rows or the columns. Let's say we want to group the columns, and as you can see, it's done. So this is how you can do it. Let's ungroup it by clicking on it, or you can simply click on ungroup to do it. It will be ungrouped. So now how you will group the sheets? You have to just select the sheets by clicking on control button. As you can see, the two sheets are selected. If you right click on your mouse, you can see there is an option of ungroup sheets. That means the sheets are now grouped. If you want to ungroup them, just simply click on ungroup sheets. It will be done. So yep, this is how you can do it very easily. You don't have to go to data and do it from here. You can do it by just by selecting with control button. Yep, it is as easy as that. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.